Hello, my name is Tyler Moore, and I've been making websites for over 20 years. This is Emmanuel Diaz. He's made over 1,000 websites, and today we're going to find out how long it takes to make a Wix website. This website was sponsored, so we really appreciate it, but I like it. It's kind of fun. It's like a challenge. How long and how fast can we recreate a website? What kind of website are we recreating today?
Yeah, so this is actually my local dog groomer's website. It hasn't been updated in a really long time, and she kind of wanted it updated in a way that would be easy for her to maintain. She's not a developer, so we thought, well, we could build it with Wix. They actually have an AI tool now, so I want to see how good it is at recreating the site. I mean, the website is really dated. You can see that.
This looks
Um,
absolutely crazy. I mean, this is like
yeah,
a GeoCities website from like 1992.
yeah,
Maybe
but
not
you
that
know
old,
what?
but
I'll say something. This website has an aura and a vibe that
yeah,
I
it
think
does.
a lot of generic websites today are missing. Like it has that.
I kind of
I'll
like
give
it,
it that. Yeah,
but it needs
yeah.
to be
It's almost like
updated a little bit.
you're right, right. When something is so bad that it's kind of good. Like it's kind of cute of how of how it is.
Kind of cute.
But yeah, I was thinking of let's redo it in Wix. It'll be really easy for her to update and manage the website. It works perfect for a small business. So instead of having to do it by hand, I want to see if we can just plug it into their AI builder, Wix Harmony, and I want to see how it works, how good of a job it does to redesign the website, and if it's going to be easy for her to edit the website as well.
All right, so this is wix.com/harmony. You can go to it. It'll be in the link in the description below. And I'm just going to type in, can you make this website? What should I type in? Can you make this website, but make it good?
More modern, yeah,
More
or like, can
modern?
you this, or like you could be like, my website is very dated. Can
Oh,
you like
yeah, that's a good
help me
idea.
update it? Yeah.
My
And I
website
like
is.
this is free. You don't have to log in or anything. You can kind of just test it and generate the website. And I think Wix lets you publish it for free at the end as well.
Okay, so we have that. Do we want to refine the prompt or just generate my site?
Let's just start with this simple prompt and see what we get.
Okay, we'll generate the site
Yeah,
and we'll
the
see
the
what we get.
website is so old that it doesn't have a valid SSL. So I wonder if it will still be able to read it.
All right, so it
Oh, okay,
is
yeah,
working.
nice. And I like that it's free. You can just generate a website and see a lot of builders. You have to like sign up or subscribe to like hosting or things like that before you can build anything. But Wix just lets you build the website free.
Yeah, it's super awesome.
Okay, so it looks like they have their own AI called Aria, and we can see that it's planning the website. So it's creating the home page, and it's analyzing what it's about. It understood the business, so it looks like it was able to go to the original website, read all the content, understand what it's about. Now it's creating the About Us page. I kind of like that as it goes page by page, it tells you what it's doing. We see there that it's doing the services. So you're not just there sitting, behind a black box waiting to see what's going on. So it finished planning and now it's actually building.
That's pretty
So it's
cool.
doing the homepage. Yeah. So I think we can give it a couple of minutes and then we'll see what it makes.
All right, so it is done and it's looking pretty good. What do you get? What do you think?
Yeah, it definitely looks like a much more modern website. It's really cool. The AI understood what kind of business it was. It got the correct images to use for a grooming business. It transferred over all the content for the different services and things like that. But I think we can also edit the website with the AI if you want to refine it or make it like look better.
Yeah. Oh, so you can just click and edit right here, which is nice. So we'll
Yeah, so you
see.
don't have to prompt every single change,
Yeah, that's
which
kind
is
of
very
nice.
nice.
And then we can preview it up here. Let's see what that does. Preview it. Okay, so it previews real big.
It's like a full
That's
screen.
nice. And then we can do different sizes. So I'll do mobile. Hey, pretty good.
Yeah, so the
Um,
website is fully responsive out of the box, which is really nice. Okay, so we can see that it added a logo, and the AI, from the word fly, I guess it decided to use a bird. So I think we can just click on it, and we can, or right click on it, and we can prompt the design to change it right there in the right hand side.
oh
We can
yeah,
just say,
so it
hey, the
adds this
logo,
logo.
yeah, so, yeah, it knows that we're talking about the
Is
logo,
a
and
bird.
just say, can we make the doggo the doggo the logo dog related.
Make it dog related. All right, and we'll
There you go.
send that.
So yeah, and we'll see if it can also generate the logo, not just the website content.
Yeah.
Also, it's only one page, so I kind of want to ask it to give it a proper menu and create a separate service page and a separate contact page. So we can ask it to do that next, and we'll see if it connects to all the pages.
All right, so it did it. I wonder if I can make it a little bit bigger. Let's try. Oh, yes, I can. Cool. And then you said you wanted more navigation because this is only one. What kind of navigation
Yeah,
are you thinking?
let's ask it to make a services page and also a contact page, just so it
A
could be like a nice
services
multi-page
page and
website.
a contact page. Okay, we'll send that, and then we'll just wait for that to happen.
I wonder if it has the ability to generate images, because some of these images they look realistic, but I kind of feel like they might be generated. So I wonder if we can ask it to create an image for the hero section. Actually, we could ask it make the hero section have like a full width image instead of just like a small image. And I wonder if it would just generate like a really good image to have back there. We can see that it's dropping up the services and contact page as well.
Oh yeah, look at right up there. All right, it looks like the website completed. Let's take a look. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I love it. It created a contact form, which is nice for the kind of pet. Almost you can request an appointment right there. This
That's
is the
cool.
contact page that it generated. It has the correct colors, which is nice. We have to see the footer logo. We probably have to update too, but
All
it
right.
looks good. It got the social media in there. Let's check the services page.
Services page. I wonder how do you navigate, you think? Services. How do you go to the
Uh,
Oh, here it is.
oh, there it is. You just click it or right click it.
Click it, right click it. I don't know. Oh my gosh.
You can just click the preview button in the top right corner.
Oh, right. Okay, preview. All right, now we can see it. We got our services page right here. Fur's gonna
Nice.
fly. Ooh, really nice. And then you said you wanted to do one more thing, I think, on
Yeah,
the homepage.
yeah, let's update the hero section so that it's a full background image instead of just an image on the side. I just want to see if it can generate images for us,
Can you
based on like whatever we want.
the home background hero
Hero section.
section
Yeah.
so that
It's a
it
full width
has
image.
a full width image?
Yeah, let's see that. If it can do that, it's gonna look super nice.
All right. Cool. So pretty easy.
Uh, Another thing that I saw is that you can also click on any element. So if you want to add an animation, you can do that too. If you want to change the font, the colors, you can modify the website a lot.
Oh, okay. So we just click on anything. It's editing right now, but we can just click on anything and then edit it. And it has all these
Yeah, it's
options,
really
right?
right. It has a ton of options for each little widget on the page. So we'll give this a second and we'll see what image it generates.
Ooh, that looks pretty good. I like that. It's a good idea. All
Yeah,
right.
nice.
So now what?
Let's publish it and let's see how it looks
All
on
right.
its actual link.
So let's publish it. And this is going to make it live on the website, I'm guessing.
Yeah, so Wix is going to give you like a temporary link if you don't have a domain, and they'll host it too. So you can kind of have a little website up completely for free in just a matter of minutes. And then, if you want to brand it, you can connect your own domain really easily, and you can have it fully hosted if you don't want to use the free plan. You can just get the paid plan. It has a bunch of extra things on there.
All right. Then just click on publish right here. And we will have ourselves a website. Of course, you can connect the domain name. We haven't done that yet, but that's view our site. This site is online and it's looking really nice. Look at that.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And let's pull up the old website and put them side by side, and we'll see
All right.
how much better it is, right?
Yeah.
So this is the old website, clearly very dated, maybe like a little bit embarrassing to the business owner, right? And this website, in just a couple minutes, modern website, looks professional,
Yeah.
super easy way to get online really
With
fast.
the booking thing too. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's super
Usually,
awesome.
if you were trying to build something like this in WordPress, it'd take you a couple of hours even to put something simple like this together.
Yeah. Well, especially with this booking plugin to configure a booking plugin, that'd be just, I
Yeah.
think that would be
You
out
might you
multiple
might
hours.
yeah, you'd have to probably buy the booking plugin too.
So this is before. Yeah, exactly. This is before and this is after. And this is looking really cool. It even made us a logo, which is awesome. And it like, did you see this? It made like little scissors for his collar thing. It's kind of
Yeah,
cool.
very cool. Yeah.
It's super
So
cool.
it's really amazing. It's really easy to use, very intuitive. So yeah, you guys can go to wix.com/harmony and try it for yourselves, make yourselves a website. If you do make a website, put it in the comments. We'd love to check it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for following along and watching this video.
Thank you so much.